Hello, this video is about writing the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. After watching this video, you will be able to visually identify the y-intercept of a line, visually determine the slope of a line, write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, write the equation of horizontal and vertical lines. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. M represents the slope of the line. Slope is the amount of incline relative to the position of an object. B represents the y-intercept, which is the point that a function touches the y-axis. Recall a line is made of an infinite set of points. Here we want to identify points that are perfect. Perfect points would be points that fall exactly on an intersection on the coordinate plane. To find the slope, we can use rise over run. As you see, this creates a staircase pattern on the line, and you may notice that the length of each step is the same. We can now add numeric values and say that the rise is equal to 2 and the run is equal to 5. Using rise over run, we know the slope is 2 over 5 or 2/5. Now we need to find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the point of the function where x is equal to 0. Visually, the y-intercept will be the point where the graph of a function crosses the y-axis. As you can see, the function crosses the y-axis at -6. Now that we have both the slope and the y-intercept, we can write the equation as y equals 2/5 x -6. In our next line, we will start by identifying the perfect points. Next, we need to find the rise over run. Here the graph rises at a rate of 3, and runs at a rate of 2, thus the slope is 3/2. Next, we will find the y-intercept of the line. Remember, this is where the line crosses the y-axis. As you can see, the function crosses the y-axis at -3. Now we can finally write the equation using the slope and y-intercept. Once again, for our third example, we will begin by finding perfect points. Once we have the perfect points, we will determine the slope by using rise over run. Since the graph is going down, the rise will be negative, meaning that the rise is -4 and the run is 2. Now we need to find where the function crosses the y-axis, which is at 2. Lastly, we can write the equation as y equals -4x plus 2. Now we will look into horizontal lines. You may notice that horizontal lines are flat, but also that they do not rise. This means that the slope is 0. Recall that slope measures the amount of incline in a function. This function has no incline, therefore the slope is 0. We do know that the y-intercept is +5, so when we write the equation we would write it as y equals 0x plus 5, however 0x will always be 0, so the final equation is y equals to 5. As for vertical lines, they work oppositely to horizontal lines. They have no run. Vertical lines have an infinite rise, therefore they cannot be climbed or walked on, so they are undefined. Another thing to consider is that a vertical line will not have a y-intercept, so you would write the equation as x equals to the point where the line touches the x-axis. So this line will be written as x equals to -8.